We've been told that to stop is to fail, that rest is a luxury we can't afford. But what if that's not the whole story? What if the quiet moments are where true power is forged? Healing is not giving up, it's gearing up. It's the strategic retreat that precedes a greater advance, the sharpening of the blade before the next battle. It's the most profound act of courage, to pause, to listen, and to rebuild from the inside out. Let's be honest, strong people break too. We all carry invisible fractures, the hairline cracks from battles fought in silence. The pressure to be unbreakable is a heavy burden, one that eventually becomes too much to bear. Acknowledging your breaking point isn't a sign of defeat, it's a moment of profound self-awareness. It's the point where the real work begins. The strongest among us are not those who never fall, but those who know when to stop pushing. Instead of pretending they're okay, they choose repair over performance. They trade the roar of the crowd for the quiet whisper of their own needs. This is an act of radical self-compassion. Healing is choosing yourself, again and again. It's looking in the mirror and seeing not a machine, but a human being deserving of care. Healing is releasing what burned you, letting go of the weight of past hurts and future anxieties. It's finding strength in soft form, in the gentle stretch, the deep breath, the quiet walk in nature. It's the deliberate, patient work of mending. True warriors don't fight non-stop. They understand the rhythm of battle and recovery. They heal to return stronger, with deeper wisdom and renewed resolve. Healing isn't a pause from life. It's an integral part of life. It's woven into the fabric of our journey, as essential as the air we breathe and the goals we chase. It's the foundation upon which every comeback is built. So give yourself permission to heal, unconditionally, without guilt. See it not as an interruption, but as an investment in the person you are becoming. Rest now, so you can rise again. Because your comeback needs your rest just as much as it needs your effort.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.